Welcome back, dreamers. Ever wondered what you can do with a space like this? Well, why not try this? And just before we get started, make sure you stick around at the end of the video for the bloopers. We had a lot of fun with making this one. Okay, so we cleared the crush area out with the help of a tractor, so shout out to our neighbour Barry, couldn't have done it without you. We've cleaned up our old table and chairs, and we bought some split copper logs, that's what they're called in Australia, to make a decorative feature. We'll have 2 copper logs on each side, and they're going to be tapered inwards towards the top, and then the 5th copper log is going to sit across the top, and it's going to hold the decorative lights. We're also going to put rope on the ends, again to add a nice decorative touch. Now this is a crushed or a deconstructed granite. We use this for the paths around Billabong views for a few reasons. One, once it's laid, its decorative look is really nice. And 2, once it's compacted down, it really inhibits any plant growth wanting to come through it, so it keeps our paths nice and clean. Now for watering in here, we've gone with the 360-degree sprinklers. We installed them a little while ago and they actually work perfectly with what we've done here in this transformation. A lot cheaper, a lot easier than running pipes through all of the gardens and all of the beds with all the sprinklers as well. They're just great. Well, dreamers, I think you'll agree that this has turned out really nice and probably better than I had imagined. We've transformed it from the area that wasn't getting any love into an oasis, which will be so nice out here on the summer afternoons to come out here and enjoy a drink and some food with friends and family. Well, as always, make sure you're subscribing, make sure you're getting all of the notifications, and we'll see you next time on Billabong Views. The end of the video for the bloopers for this. Now this is a deconstructed granite. And two, once it's compacted down, plant growth wanting to come through it, so it's... And two, once it's compacted down,
I'd be great at that.
You would.
we've cleaned up our old table and then, what do we call these, Mum? Split cobblelog. So we've cleaned up our old table and chairs and we've...
Welcome back, dreamers. Welcome back, dreamers. Got the shot. Good boy, JD.